Oh my god, another train just passed us. That was so lucky. Oh god, where are we going?
Oh no, going the wrong way. Oh, they're coming. Pete, get behind the cover.
Oi.
Okay, when we get to this, when we get to the airfield station, we're just gonna jump off and let the train go.
Those players?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
players.
Yeah, we just jump off and just let the train go. Hope that they think that we're still on it.
Not this station. Just take a bit of cover.
They're still following us.
I don't think so. Right. Get ready to jump off. You won't take any damage, by the way. Go, 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 go.
Oh, I'm down.
Where are you?
Safe. Yeah, I'm safe. So Pete's on me. Help me, Pete.
Help the player. I just looked at both of you disappear off the train and I was like, well, guess we're getting off. And just launched myself.
Does anyone have any meds?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Just over here.
It's got off. He's behind you. Behind you, Dom. Behind you, Dom!
Killed one, killed one, killed one.
There's one in front of me. 250. Two of them, two of them.
hit him.
Hit one with a bow.
Where is he? Where is he?
Behind the column.
I'm down.
I'm dead. I got 5 fucking double headshot. I had 4 HP with nothing I could do. Oh,
One's on the right, one's on the left behind the pillar.
Killed one.
Nice, that last one's left. Behind the pillar. Still behind the pillar on the left. He's running. Just run up one pillar. He's by red door on the left. If I get up here, this will be fucking big. No, of course not.
Dead, all dead.
nice, nice.
Shit.
I'm running back to where
Get back here quick.
I've not got a bag too close, but I'll